the new paradigm for application development? HEXAGON presents deep apps, true business solutions that work in direct dialogue with core business systems, such as SAP S/4HANA, with large volumes of data and relevant user experiences, shorter development and testing times, and consequently added value for your organization. The deep apps are developed on SAP Cloud Platform, which allows harmonizing processes from end to end, create omni-channel experiences, and use a single cockpit for multiple development environments. The focus of the deep apps is on innovation in order to achieve a smart, connected, and above all, efficient and agile company. Such as the app developed for an agribusiness company with 8 facilities in Argentina, which generates 600 direct jobs, works with more than 1,000 agricultural producers, and exports to more than 50 countries. The business need was to improve the credit check with down payments ranked to determine the best line of credit for suppliers and customers. In 2 months, HEXAGON developed an app that allowed the modernization of the credit analysis process that was previously manual. Approvals began to be 100% digital, integrated with SAP's ERP system and other existing systems in the installed base. HEXAGON can help your company innovate. Send us an email at hola@hexagonconsulting.net. For more information about HEXAGON Consulting, visit our website or visit us at LinkedIn.